A what?
A cock.
You like what?
Cock.
Do you?
There's two cocks, a white and a black cock. Oh,
You want two? You want a white and a black one?
stop it.
Oh, I see. No cups of tea for you today. Shop's shut.
What?
You'll be able to get up easier. Can't you?
We've done now, let's come on.
You've got to run about 3 steps.
I've done my steps for the day.
Hang on, Roscoe, come back.
I know, do come back. You go on your own, sweetheart.
Yeah, we're going to do, but Roscoe running.
Yeah. Just impatient.
John, wait.
Wait a sec, go on, John. You okay? Yeah. You alright?
It's not a dog, you can't whistle him back.
It's like this.
It's okay. So you can see the top now. See the steps. Going all the way up there. It's still very foggy. You're definitely not seeing Blackpool Tower when you get to the top.
For your Blackpool Tower.
You love it. Love that Blackpool Tower job.
No, you do.